gives you the idea. So this is one of the boats that flipped over in the water. And if you look right here, you can actually literally see their seats where they sit. Like this is so like incredibly crazy.
I came in right side up. I came into Rotary West.
You can see like inside their boat. Looks like there's some switches right there.
Yeah, it goes right side up.
Yeah, like this is
That thing can everything. How could that even be like that when it's everything?
I told you could come in here. I wasn't kidding. You can see inside their boat right there. This is crazy. Wait, you can see the inside? Yeah, if you look over there, you can see a better vision of their seats. Wow. Go around these people. Holy wow, look at the mud. This is really crazy.